everybody, and introducing my brand new e-course called Create Your Own Oracle Deck. I'm Kathy Nichols, and I will be your instructor if you choose to sign up for the class. Have you ever wanted to create your own Oracle deck? If so, you are not alone. Oracle decks have become all the rage with artists and healing practitioners of all sorts, and mostly because it's a lot of fun to create them. And it's also wonderful to be able to use your artwork and your own personal sentiments as a form of healing for yourself and for others. And with that in mind, I created my own Oracle decks about 2 years ago. The first deck that I created was called the Story Card Deck, which is this one you may have seen online. And I created that in 2016. And then I followed it up with another deck called the Synchronicity Deck. And since I launched these decks, they have become by far my best sellers in my online Etsy store. In this new workshop, I make it really fun and easy to create your own deck. I'm going to show you how to collect and create your own materials for the cards. I'll show you how to decide what images to put on the cards, how to decide what themes to use, and how to create people cards as well as animal cards. You'll also learn how to court synchronicity in your work so that you can become a conduit for the energy that needs to come out in your particular deck. And last but not least, at the end of the course, there's a section called Practical Magic, in which I show you how you can sell your deck, how you can package it, how you can create a beautiful box for it and get it published, and how to use the deck to do readings for yourself and for others. And to make it even easier for you, I've also created a kit that goes along with the e-course. And in this kit, you will get the physical wood blanks that you need to create your deck. And these are the same wood blanks that I used when I created my own Synchronicity deck, and absolutely love using them. There's something so magical about creating an Oracle deck directly on wood, and also creating a deck that is the exact same size of a physical card deck. And you'll also get a deck journal with a personalized totem. I'll show you how to use a deck journal to come up with your interpretation booklets for your deck. But best of all, I will be right there with you for the entire class. This is not a class where you just download some videos and you're left on your own. It will be a class taught on a beautiful platform that allows for sharing of our work and for group discussions, and I'm going to be very active in those discussions through the entire 5-week course. So it'll be very much like attending a class in person, except you will actually be at a distance and you'll be able to take it from anywhere in the world, but we'll have a community of students taking the class together. So it is going to be a lot of fun, and if you've ever thought of creating your own deck, this is a great opportunity to get started and make it happen. I hope that you'll join us, and I really look forward to creating our beautiful and magical decks together.